Welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today we're going to take a look at the Glacier Bay Elongated Power Flush Toilet. Now in front of me are all the parts that come in the package, and it is a complete package, complete install, wax seal, new toilet nuts, new toilet bolts, everything you need, toilet seat, soft close, which is awesome, and it's all for around 200 bucks. Now, $200 for a power flush toilet? You've probably never heard of a power flush because a power flush toilet is usually been reserved for high-end, $800+ toilets. Like most of the time, any of the ones that I ever installed during my years of working as a plumber, they're probably $1,200, $1,300 toilets or more. So imagine now you can get that technology in a $200 toilet. And the big advantage of a power flush is that it powers through the flush. You know when you're at a grocery store or a shopping mall and you flush that toilet and it makes that noise? That is what this toilet does as well. It uses the power of your pressure of your home in a stored tank. It's a different tank than normal, and it just blasts the water into that bowl. Now, I'd like you to take a look at the front of the box here. So let's take a look at what it says on the box here. Glacier Bay Power Flush 2-piece high efficient toilet. This is hilarious. If you go online, go on Home Depot's website, they have a video. They'll show how it flushes. 7 billiard balls. They got some kid squiggly toys. It's a chair height, so it's super comfortable. Lifetime limited warranty. That's good. Everything comes in the box, like I stated earlier. Soft close lid, those are great. No more waking everybody up in the middle of the night when you accidentally close the lid hard. It's a nice looking toilet. It's very nice. Power flush, extra large trapway. On the side here, it's explaining how the vacuum works. It's got the inner canister in here. It's very, very good. Right here, they did some power flush testing against its competitors. You can take a look at that online also. Power flush toilets are unreal, and at this price, crazy good deal. So this is just my pre-install review of the toilet. It seems like a great toilet on paper. As I said, go on the Home Depot website, take a look at the reviews, see what they have to say. There's a few reviews that were negative, said it didn't work properly. My question would be, did you go back get a second one? Because sometimes not everything comes perfect. It's just the way it is when you mass produce stuff. It's unfortunate, but it does happen. There's a few others where they said the pressure that came out of it wasn't very good. My curiosity would be, if you're on a well and you have a pump and your pump doesn't supply very good pressure to your house, then there's a good chance that this type of toilet is not the right one for you. You need to have a certain amount of pressure. If you have, your well has a really high 20 to 50 kind of PSI span, these may not be the best toilets for you. But outside of that, most of the reviews are, it's an amazing toilet, best toilet I've ever had. Just take a look and you will see. So the next video is going to be me installing this, showing you how it works, and then 3-4 months from now, I'm installing this in my kids' bathroom. I have 5 kids, so this is going to get used over the next 3 or 4 months. I'm going to tell you how it performed. I'm going to tell you how the flushes actually clean the bowl out each time, and we'll go from there. So thank you very much for watching You Can Plumbing and my review of this toilet. I'd like to ask you if you could subscribe. That makes a huge difference for me. If we can get our subscriber numbers up, one of the big things I want to do with this channel, because I do believe in You Can Plumbing, and plumbing is not cheap, so doing stuff is expensive. I want to take the money that I make doing this, and I want to give it back to my subscribers. So once I start making some money doing this, I'm going to start giving it back to you guys. I'm going to do draws. We'll figure something out, and we'll go from there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is You Can Plumbing, and we'll catch you on the next video.